Good day, Electrified Fam! Ngayon lang nalaman ko na napakaswerte ng mga taga Rizal, lalo na yung mga taga Taytay. Biruin mo, paglabas ko lang ng gate ng subdivision, merong charging station ang VinFast. 36 ports daw ito. Tandaan natin, meron ding 20 ports doon sa unahan ng SM City Taytay. So bali dito pa lang sa Taytay merong 56 charging ports. Ang swerte naman. Ayan, madadaanan natin sa kaliwa. Gawin natin, mag-U-turn lang tayo. Okay, tara, samahan nyo ako. Check natin. Napakalapit lang nito sa amin. Sa unahan lang ito ng Manila East Hospital. Katabi ng BYD Taytay. Laking ginhawa nito sa mga VinFast customers or owners. There will be 36 chargers here daw. Ayan, oh.
Wow.
So that's how big is that? 36, tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 chargers. Plus here pala 17 chargers more or less. Okay, so this is just beside BYD Taytay. Ito yung BYD, oh. Yan, that's BYD Taytay. And remember, just ahead of this, SM, and then McDonald's. Beside McDonald's, there's another. Salamat VinFast. You made our lives easier. Sa mga nagbabalak dyan, hanggang 2029, libre ang charging. So, ito na. So, 700 meters away, you'll see the SM. And then, just a little bit ahead, you'll see the next charging station. Landmark here is the McDonald's and the Uni Oil. Yeah, here it is. So if you see this McDonald's here and then Comglass Aguila, and this is the path going to the charging station. Yeah, so you have 10 chargers there. Okay, close it na.